Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest and greatest in consumer goods. Today, we're diving into the world of yard maintenance with the Worx String Trimmer Cordless GT3.0 20 volts PowerShare 12 edger and weed trimmer. If you're on the hunt for the best stringless trimmer on the market, look no further. This versatile tool isn't just your average trimmer. It's a two-in-one wonder, easily converting from a string trimmer to an edger lawn tool in just seconds. Say goodbye to tangled strings and hello to hassle-free trimming. What sets the Worx GT 3.0 apart is its innovative push-button command-feed spool system. With just a press, you'll get instant line feeding, ensuring you can tackle your yard work without interruption. Plus, with free spools for life, you'll never have to worry about running out of line again. Worried about tricky terrain? Fear not. The head of this trimmer tilts 90 degrees, allowing you to tackle slopes with ease. Say goodbye to uneven cuts and hello to a pristine lawn, no matter the landscape. Guiding your edger is a breeze with the Worx GT3.0's rubberized wheels. They provide support and stability, giving you straighter lines and cleaner cuts every time. Worried about damaging your beloved plants or lawn ornaments? The Worx GT 3.0 has you covered with its adjustable spacer guard. You can trim with confidence, knowing your landscaping will stay intact. Let's talk specs. With a no-load speed of 7,600 RPM, a cutting diameter of 12 inches, and a lightweight design weighing in at just 5.3 pounds, this trimmer is a powerhouse in a compact package. Plus, with 10 feet of cutting line length and a 0.065-inch line diameter, you'll have everything you need to tackle even the toughest weeds. And the best part? This trimmer comes with not one, but two powerful and lightweight 20 volts PowerShare Max lithium batteries. You can trim to your heart's content without worrying about running out of juice. So there you have it, folks. The Worx String Trimmer Cordless GT 3.0 20 volts PowerShare 12 edger and weed trimmer is truly a cut above the rest. Say goodbye to the hassle of traditional trimmers and hello to a pristine lawn with minimal effort. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, where we bring you the best of the best in consumer goods. Until next time, happy trimming.